chocolate and dates, our choco dates recipe for today. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋದ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. The ingredients required for our choco dates is there for you. An extremely easy, simple recipe. I have taken a date, de-seeded it, added a roasted almond to it. To this, filling in a small teaspoon of peanut butter. It's a homemade peanut butter. Recipe link is shared there for you. Let's roll this in chocolate. At home, today I used dark chocolate. You can use the double boiling method and add in any chocolate that you have in your residence. Wow, it looks yummy, and yes, it definitely tastes yummy too. So to this melted chocolate, I rolled over our dates and almond and just coated it, leaving it to cool down in the fridge for around 10 minutes, and your choco date healthy, amazing snack is ready. Who says healthy food has to be bland or boring? For more such recipes, keep watching. If you, your family or friends require diet counseling, we are always there for you. One WhatsApp message away, that's it.